Hi, this is Tom Bagley from Bagley and Mayo Insurance, and welcome to the Insurance Corner. Today we're here to talk about rental car insurance, or substitute transportation as it's sometimes called. Not the kind of insurance that you buy from Hertz when you're renting a car on vacation, but the kind of insurance you buy on your own auto policy. And it pays for the cost of a rental car if you're involved in an accident. First off, let's talk about what happens if you're in an accident. Whether your car is drivable or not, there's a good chance it could be tied up for 2 weeks to 30 days in a body shop. Typical rental car costs $30 a day, so you're looking at potentially $900 in expense that you'd have to pay out of pocket if you don't buy rental car coverage. And one of the first things that happens when you go to the body shop and meet with the insurance company adjuster is the insurance company adjuster is going to say to you, "You mean your insurance agent didn't give you rental car coverage?" As if it's free. Well, it's not free. It costs around $60 depending on your driving experience and your driving record. But whether you buy it or not is really your decision. And here's a couple of situations. Maybe one of them might apply to you to help you make that decision. First of all, if you're single, need your car for work or school, need it every day, don't have any other car you could potentially use, you really ought to buy the coverage. For $60 or so a year, maybe $5 to $10 per installment on your insurance premium, it's going to be well worth it to save the potential $900 if you're in an accident. If you're a couple, husband and wife, 2 cars, you get a little bit different decision. You have to buy the coverage on both cars. Now it's $120 a year. Maybe you want to do it, maybe you don't. But if you both need your cars, you go in different directions each day to work or school, then again you should probably consider buying it. A larger family, 3 or 4 cars, different decision entirely. First of all, you may be able to get by without a car. Maybe your son or daughter doesn't need their car for a couple of weeks. You can switch off, trade off, share rides, whatever. But if everybody does need their car, you're looking at having to buy that insurance on all 3 or 4 vehicles, which starts to add up. Now you're talking $200 to $300 a year, and you have to really decide whether it's worth it. The bottom line in this decision-making process is this. If having an accident is going to wreck your budget, in other words, that $900 rental bill, that $300 or $500 or $1,000 you may have to pay out of pocket for your deductible, if that's going to rent your budget, you really need to buy this coverage. It's going to be well worth it. On the other hand, if you're someone who likes to keep your premiums as low as possible, and this is important, you're comfortable in assuming some of the cost if you're in an accident, you're someone who likes high copays on your health insurance, you're comfortable with high deductibles, then you can consider self-insuring. At the end of the day, you're going to have some out-of-pocket expense, but you might save some premiums over the long run. I hope this information helps you make this decision. The important thing is to call us at Bagley and Mayo, 978-534-5133. Talk to one of our customer service representatives who can help you make the right decision for you. Or visit us on the web at www.abminsurance.com. Thanks very much.